Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. So I'm usually the person who wears the same purse all the time in the same boring colors. But when I saw this Wrangler tote bag, I just knew I was ready to mix it up a bit and to add a little bit of color into my life. This tote bag is just beautiful. I got the multiple carnelian color, and it has this really gorgeous Aztec design on the bag. The bag is made of canvas and the shoulder strap is in genuine leather. Not only is this bag just incredibly gorgeous, but it's super functional. The main pocket is really big and it even fits my laptop, which makes this bag really nice to take with me to work. There are also 4 hidden pockets, and I typically use these for my keys or any other smaller items. I love how this bag looks great with any outfit and for any occasion. I can wear it to the beach or to the lake or in something super casual, or I can dress it up. The vibrant colors really help my outfit to just pop. I love my new tote bag from Wrangler. It's functional and beautiful, and it just makes a great accessory to any outfit I decide to wear. And that's my point of view.